BluArmor activated.
Welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to pair a secondary device with your C40. There are two ways to do this, using the buttons on the device or through the BluArmor app. Method 1. Pairing through the buttons. Step 1. Power on the device. Step 2. Press the back or volume down button 3 times to enter secondary pairing mode. Step 3. On the secondary device, open the Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. Look for the name C40 followed by unique device digits. Method 2. Pairing through the BluArmor app. Step 1. Power on the device and let connect to your primary phone and the BluArmor app. Step 2. Open the BluArmor app, tap the settings icon in the top right corner, and select Manage Connection. Step 3. Tap on Secondary. Step 4. Now tap Add New Secondary Device. The device will now enter secondary pairing mode. The blue LED on the device will blink rapidly and it will give a prompt that says Secondary Pairing. On the secondary device, look for the name C40 followed by unique device digits in the Bluetooth settings and tap to connect. Once connected, the secondary device will appear in the BluArmor app and the LED on the device will become solid blue. And that's it. Your secondary device is now successfully connected to your C40.